Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can get stretch resolution in Fortnite PC. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Fortnite app on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. You can see that my current resolution is normal and isn't stretched. But in order to do so, you will need to close the Fortnite game. After closing the game, right-click on your desktop and open the graphics control panel. Inside it, go to the resolution section and click on the Customize button. In the pop-up, click on Create Custom Resolution and enter the resolution value. Obviously, you would need to decrease the vertical value in order to get the stretched effect. Now, select Yes and the resolution will be saved. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.